Hey there, game enthusiasts and my lovely gamers. Today, I'll show you how to use free AI tools to create your very own game. You don't need to be a coding wizard or an experienced artist because, with AI, you can speed up each part of the game creation process. Let's dive in. 1. Brainstorming game ideas with AI. The first step is developing a concept. Start by brainstorming the type of game you want to create. For example, will it be a platformer, a puzzle, or a role-playing game? If you're unsure, AI tools like ChatGPT can help spark some ideas. Ask ChatGPT questions like, what are some popular casual game themes? Or, give me a unique idea for a platform game with a twist. ChatGPT can respond with detailed concepts, plot lines, and character ideas. Once you have a basic idea, you're ready to move on. Tip: use ChatGPT to brainstorm plot twists, character backstories, and level ideas. 2. Creating game assets with AI. Now that you have a game concept, it's time to create visual assets. Even if you're not an artist, tools like DALL-E can generate high-quality art for you. Let's say you need a main character for your game, a forest creature with magical powers. Just type in a detailed prompt, like, create a cartoon-style forest creature with glowing eyes and magical antlers in a colorful fantasy setting. DALL-E can generate several unique images for you to choose from. You can refine these images by adjusting your prompt until you get the style you like. Tip: describe your image in detail. Experiment with words like cartoonish, realistic, or pixel art. Once you have characters and backgrounds, download these images in a high-resolution format. If you're creating animations or additional effects, tools like Unity's Sprite Editor can help you bring your AI-generated assets to life. 3. Generating game code with ChatGPT. Now, let's make your game interactive by generating code with ChatGPT. You can use it to write scripts in popular game engines like Unity, which uses C#, or Godot, which uses GDScript. ChatGPT can create scripts for simple interactions, character movement, and even basic AI. For instance, if you're creating a platformer, ask ChatGPT to write a C# script for character movement in Unity. It will produce a basic script you can copy and paste into your Unity project. You can also ask for help refining your code or making it more complex, like adding power-ups, obstacles, or enemies. Try asking ChatGPT, how do I make a jumping character script in Unity? If you're using Godot, ChatGPT can help generate GDScript too. Just specify what engine and language you're using to get accurate results. 4. Integrating assets into a game engine. With your code snippets and visual assets ready, it's time to integrate them into a game engine. Unity is a great option for beginners, and it's free for personal use. Once you've installed Unity, create a new project, and let's start importing your assets. To import images, drag and drop them into Unity's Assets folder. You can then add them to scenes by dragging them into the scene view. For scripts, copy your generated code and paste it into a new script file within Unity. In Unity, Assets, create greater than C# script to add your code. Once you've added scripts to objects like your player character, you can test them right in Unity. Just hit the play button at the top of the screen to see how it looks in action. 5. Designing levels with AI assistance. To make your game engaging, design multiple levels or stages. Use ChatGPT to help generate ideas for level layouts, puzzles, or progression systems. You could even use AI-generated maps or grid patterns as templates for your levels. For example, ask ChatGPT, design a challenging level layout for my platform game. The AI can suggest terrain types, enemy placement, and even hidden pathways to make your levels fun and interactive. Once you have the layout, you can recreate it in Unity using simple shapes or imported assets. Use ChatGPT for ideas on level difficulty and structure. 6. Adding sound and music with free AI tools. Now, let's add sound effects and music. Sound and music set the tone for your game, and there are free AI tools like Audacity and platforms like OpenAI's MuseNet that can help. MuseNet, for instance, can generate music in various styles, which you can then download and import into Unity. To create sound effects, you can either find free sounds on sites like freesound.org or use an AI sound generator. Try to choose sounds that match the atmosphere, like calm ambient tracks for exploration levels or upbeat music for action scenes. Tip: use short, looping sound effects for footsteps or background ambience. 7. Testing and refining your game. Once you've assembled everything, it's time to test your game. Play through each level to ensure your assets, scripts, and audio sync up well. Check for any bugs, like characters falling through the flow or items not appearing. Get feedback from friends or family, and consider asking ChatGPT for tips on improving gameplay. It can offer suggestions for balancing difficulty, adding checkpoints, or refining your user interface. Playtest, adjust, and repeat. 8. Exporting and sharing your game. With everything running smoothly, let's export your game so others can play it. Unity lets you export to different platforms: Windows, Mac OS, and even mobile. Just go to File, Build Settings and select your platform. Once exported, you'll get a standalone version of your game you can share with friends or even upload to sites like itch.io. Make sure to add an intro screen, instructions, or credits for a polished finish. And there you have it, your first game made using free AI tools. File, build settings, select platform. Creating a game doesn't have to be complicated. With the help of free AI tools, you can brainstorm ideas, create assets, generate code, and polish your game in no time. Keep experimenting with AI, as new tools are coming out all the time that can make game development even easier. Happy game making! Video game, please like, share and subscribe for more educational content for boosting your life and career. Thank you everyone. Signing off for now.